Dear Charlie B.
Jollibee, bakit lumiit ka?
Ay matapos na po tayo sa number 2 or 2 minutes. Nako! Eto na ang Christmas light.
Jollibee, saan ka pupunta?
Magliwanag ang yes, ang buong Jollibee Amang Rodriguez ay Jollibee. Alright. Ready na? Of course, once again, welcome you all to the Jollibee Amang Rodriguez for our Christmas lighting ceremony. Alright, so Jollibee, are you ready? Wala pa. Sige. I-ready mo na rin yung ating mga friends dyan, ha? Kasi we are going to make a countdown. Nako, eto na, magliliwanag na ang buong story natin. Alright, so this is the main highlights of today's celebration, the lighting of our Christmas decors. Okay, man? Ready na ba ang lahat? Oh, excited na ba? We have here
Jollibee,
our
saan
lights.
pupunta?
Jollibee, we have here sa the right
Punta mo.
room, in our facade area, at maging doon sa side
Jollibee, para kasi Genesis.
Actually, ayun ha, ako, mag-iiwanag din po yan.
Genesis, baka ikaw yan, ah.
Alright, so I am encouraging you all to please join us, especially our friends, kids, and truly adults. Ready? Let's make a countdown. Alright, so Jollibee, are you ready? Alright, so join me. Let's make a countdown. Let there be lights in 10, 9,
8,
7,
7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, Jollibee, as you can see, nagliliwanag na ang buong store. Of course, we are being delighted by your presence, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Alright, so for this year's theme of Jollibee Amang Rodriguez, para po sa Christmas lighting, let there be lights. Jollibee Amang Rodriguez theme for this year, which was inspired by the PCPs that represent industry, teamwork, and community values deeply ingrained in Jollibee's culture. The twinkling lights signify the bright future ahead, illuminating the path to success and prosperity. Once again, palapan po natin ang bawat isa. Thank you so much for joining us in this momentous event. First, for this branch, actually, so this is the first time that we are going to have our Christmas lighting. Hopefully, taon-taon na po namin kayo makakasama. And of course, Jollibee, we're not yet done. Ayan, so pag na-check natin sa side, meron din po tayong light dyan, Jollibee, ha? Alright, so meron din dance number na inihanda po si Jollibee. Do you want to see Jollibee dancing, yes or no?
Yes!
Yes, yan, Jollibee, wala ka na magagawa. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, together with our Jollibee Amang Rodriguez Smart Team, here's Jollibee. Anong gusto niyang sasabi ni Jollibee? APT pa, Jollibee?
Aring King King!
Alright, so let's go. Here's Jollibee. Here we Jollibee Armando Diaz Martin. The dance sa lamin. Kahit hindi.
Wow!
Once again, ito mga masigaw at palakpak for Jollibee. And alright, thank you so much. Alright, so we have prepared your giveaways or gift bags para sa ating mga friends natin. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us in our Christmas wedding ceremony here at Jollibee Armando Diaz.
Ma'am Gian! Thank you, Jollibee!
Ayan, so for those who wanted to have your pictures with Jollibee, we're not done yet. You can have your pictures. Ayan, you can also join us dito sa ating veranda na meron tayong Christmas tree for your photo op. Yes, you can actually join us no, dito sa
Wow!
Wow.
Candies!
Christmas is a really
Thank
most
you!
exciting event. Diba? Nako, the whole year, ito tayo pinag-aagahan. Siyempre si Jollibee na Candarian, no? Already na rin siya makisaya sa lahat ng mga friends natin.